and welcome to my food truck. Thank you so much for helping Daisy, Cuckoo-Loca, and me expand our business. We're going to travel through town and make all kinds of different foods for our customers. Oh, it's time to get cooking! Off we go! We can begin at the beach. And if our business does well, you might even become so popular that your photo will appear on the covers of some famous food magazines. Why, what a perfect day to work at the beach!
It's me, Cuckoo-Loca. Hope you're ready, because we got a whole lot of orders to take.
Oh, this is fun!
Don't you just love smoothies? I could really use your help making one. Let's see. What ingredients do we need? That looks perfect. Now just put the lid on. You'll have to push the button on the front of the blender to blend the smoothie. Oh, goody goody! Your smoothie looks delicious. Now, let's pour it into the cup. Almost done. Just add some garnish as a finishing touch. I bet the customer's just gonna love.
Your order's up. One super yummy smoothie coming your way. Oh, I think they liked it.
Here's what we'll need for this order.
Your order's up. Oh my, I hope that tastes as good as it looks.
Ooh.
That's one very happy customer. Congratulations.
Look, here are the ingredients that you'll need.
Your order's up. Oh my, I hope that tastes as good as it looks.
Yum.
Oh, I'm so glad your recipe was a success.
Look, here are the ingredients that you'll need.
Your order's up. One super yummy smoothie coming your way. Oh, how exciting! I love cooking with new foods, don't you?
Here's what we'll need for this order.
Your order's up. Oh my, I hope that tastes as good as it looks.
Yums.
That's one very happy customer. Congratulations.
Look, here are the ingredients that you'll need.
Your order's up. One super yummy smoothie coming your way. Oh, I think they liked it.
Here's what we'll need for this order.
Your order's up. Oh my, I hope that tastes as good as it looks. Oh, I'm so glad your recipe was a success. Chef Special! You can make any kind of smoothie you'd like. Your order's up. One super yummy smoothie coming your way. Oh, thank you so much for helping us serve all those customers. Oh my, you've been doing such an amazing job. And we have lots of customers just waiting to taste our yummy food. Where should we go now? Once we choose a location, we'll be there in no time.